You don't lack ambition, you lack resistance. And without resistance, a man becomes soft, quietly, invisibly, predictably. If your days feel easy, but your life feels stagnant, this is why. Comfort is not neutral, it is conditioning you. Every time you choose the easier option, the extra scroll, the delayed workout, the convenient excuse, your brain records it, not as a moment, as identity. You are not becoming relaxed, you are becoming trained. The real problem: your brain is a reward prediction machine. Dopamine isn't pleasure, it's motivation. It teaches you what is worth pursuing. When you flood it with instant comfort, social media, junk stimulation, endless convenience, you distort the scale. Hard effort starts to feel unnecessary. Discomfort feels abnormal. Challenge feels optional. Neural pathways strengthen around ease, and slowly your baseline shifts. You stop building tolerance for friction, and a man who cannot tolerate friction cannot build anything meaningful. Comfort doesn't destroy you in one dramatic moment. It erodes you through micro decisions. This is not about working harder. It's about rebuilding your internal architecture. Let's fix it. Number 1, install friction on purpose. Right now, your environment is designed to remove resistance. Food is instant. Entertainment is infinite. Validation is one tap away. You need controlled friction. Cold showers, training when you don't feel like it, starting work without waiting for motivation. Not because they're trendy, because friction recalibrates dopamine. When you voluntarily choose discomfort, your brain relearns that effort leads to reward. You rewire motivation toward growth instead of relief. Think of it as recalibrating a weapon's aim. You're correcting drift. Number 2, remove invisible comfort loops. Most comfort isn't obvious. It's the phone within reach, the open tabs, the background noise, the late-night scrolling just for a minute. These are low-grade dopamine drips. They fragment focus. Your mind never fully enters depth because it's trained to expect interruption. So you must design your environment like a secure facility. Phone out of the room during deep work. Notifications off by default. Clear desk, single task. Power isn't willpower, it's architecture. If the system is clean, your mind becomes sharp. Number 3, redefine your relationship with boredom. Most men relapse into comfort because they cannot sit in silence. The moment stimulation drops, anxiety rises. That anxiety is withdrawal. You've trained your nervous system to fear stillness, so you must reverse it. Sit without input for 10 minutes daily. No music, no scrolling, no distractions. Let your mind settle. Boredom is not emptiness. It is recovery. It restores dopamine sensitivity. It strengthens attention. It makes simple work feel engaging again. A focused mind is built in quiet. Number 4, build identity around hard things. If you see discomfort as something you have to do, you will eventually avoid it. Instead, anchor it to identity. I'm the type of man who does difficult things. Identity-based habits are durable. When effort aligns with who you believe you are, resistance weakens. Every time you choose the harder path, reinforce it internally, not with ego, with recognition. This is mental warfare at the identity level. You are replacing the comfort-seeking version of yourself with a disciplined architect, brick by brick. Number 5, track what you avoid. Power leaks through avoidance. What conversations are you delaying? What tasks are you postponing? What truths are you ignoring? Avoidance is comfort disguised as strategy. Write down one avoided action each morning. Complete it first. This builds psychological dominance, not over others, over hesitation. And that is real strength. Comfort feels safe, but it quietly lowers your threshold for struggle. And when real adversity arrives, because it always does, you will meet it at the level you've trained for. Train soft, respond weak. Train under resistance, respond with control. This isn't about rejecting comfort completely. It's about mastering it. Use comfort deliberately. Never live inside it. If this shifted your perspective, subscribe to the Focus Order. And remember, power is built in resistance.